Helping others is noble, but it's not always wise. There's a point where generosity turn into self-sabotage. Kapag patuloy kang nagbigay ng oras, effort, at resources sa mga taong hindi marunong magpalaga o inaabuso ang tulong mo, hindi ka na mabait. Napapagod ka na lang. People who don't understand the value of your health often don't respect your time, your boundaries, or your wisdom. They may take advantage, feel entitled, or worse, expect your help without gratitude. Sa huli, nauubos mo lang ang lakas mo sa taong walang natutunan, walang pagbabago, at walang pag-unlad. Helping should be an investment in someone's growth, not a subsidy for their stagnation. If someone repeatedly show that they can't or won't recognize the worth of your support, the most respectful thing you can do for them and yourself is to step back. Minsan, ang hayaan na lang silang mahirapan ang pinakamatinding tulong na binigay mo. Discussion for sure and watching. Point of view. Peace.